हरिः कन्ना।
So now let's look into the most complex one. This is last one, but not the least. So the complex plot, that is a 3D wireframe plot. 3D wireframe plot. So wireframes are three-dimensional representations of a grid file. Wireframes are created by connecting z values along lines of constant x and y. Each xy intersection occurs at a grid node, and the height of the wireframe is proportional to the z value assigned to that node. The number of columns and rows in the grid file determines the number of x and y lines drawn on the wireframe. So wireframes can display a combination of X lines and Y lines or Z contour lines. On the wireframe, X lines correspond to the columns in the grid file and Y lines correspond to the row in the grid file. So the grid limits define the extent of the wireframe. When creating a grid file, set the grid limits to the desired limits for the wireframe. So the wireframe cannot be larger or smaller than the extent of the grid file. So let's take a simple example of creating a wireframe plot, a 3D wireframe plot. Yeah. So 3D wireframe plot. Let me bring from mpl underscore toolkits dot mp plot 3D. Directly I'm gonna take this one 3D. From there import axis 3D. Okay, then import as usual matplotlib. I have imported, but still I'm going to try one more time. Dot pyplot as plt. So and let me check the package. This time I'm gonna take a similar one so that we have so far taking. So plt dot style dot use of underscore mpl, that's matplotlib hyphen gallery. Yeah. So let's make the data a simple data. Let's make a data capital X comma Y comma Z is equal to axis 3D get test data of 0.05. So that's what is our X. So if you want to see print X, yep, this is what you got. And a print Y and printed. Yep, so that's what is our data. So now let's plot. So let's plot 3D wireframe. So fig comma ax is equal to plt dot subplots of subplot underscore KW. So a projection colon 3D and subplot K projection 3D. Oh, okay, sorry. Yeah, sometimes it happens. Yeah, yes, that's what. Uh, okay, okay. Oh, three plots has been created. That's fine. Let's go with the uh, first subplot of the canvas. Then let's add axis. Let's add that data to the axis dot plot, and I'm gonna go with the plot underscore wireframe. So x comma y comma z, and then r stride is equals to 10. R stride is equals to 10. Then c stride is also equal to 10. And yeah, fantastic. So let's make it better. Let's make that better by adding the tick marks, and let's show that. Let's show that as a plot. Let's show it as a plot. Okay, that's just a warning. Let me scroll up, and yeah, here is the picture for us. Yes, that's it. That's your wireframe plot. So this is the final wireframe. This is the final plot that we are trying from intuitive plots for you course. And we'll be looking into the more plots and more advanced plots in our advanced intuitive plots for you course. Till then, bye bye. See you, and keep watching and keep spreading, and keep subscribing it, because there will be huge amount of courses are going to come. So this one, in future you will be looking we'll be looking into statistics, probability, the most intuitive way of handling the probability. Then we also will be looking into the machine learning algorithm, computer vision algorithm, and the mathematics sort of it. And we'll be looking into the practical examples that have worked in the practical projects, the projects that I have done in my career. So these kind of projects we're going to discuss in the most simplistic way. So I would urge you to keep subscribing it, and keep liking it, keeps commenting it, and see you then. Bye bye.